Ready? All right. Hi, everybody. My name is Carson again with Denver Yoga Social. We're here at our beautiful 14er Brewing Saturday venue. I'm going to be demonstrating Baddha Konasana for you today, otherwise known as like a butterfly pose. Sorry about that. Some people might call this cobbler's pose as well, but there's some subtle differences. In any case, we're going to basically make a diamond shape or a butterfly shape with our legs here. Soles of the feet come together. And I'm going to stress that this is usually a restorative pose. It can be done at the beginning of practice as well. So I don't want anyone to do any yanking or pulling in this because that could cause some pressure on our knees and our joints and things like that. I always like to say, let gravity do the work here. We're going to let our head hang heavy as we start to hinge forward from the waist, leading with the heart. And then when we find that point where our spine can't really stay straight any longer, we're just going to let it curve over and let the head hang heavy. You can kind of use your hands on your feet to encourage your forehead closer down to your toes, but I'm not yanking hard or pulling hard because I don't want to cause any injuries to my knees or my hips from here. From here, you could send the sits bones down into the earth and slowly inhale to roll up the spine, let the shoulders inflate to the sides, and let the head float on top. Another pose we like to go into from here is Supta Baddha Konasana, which is basically the same posture laying down on your mat. It's a really vulnerable and opening position for the hips and also the heart and also your shoulders. When I get started with this, I like to find my Baddha Konasana, send my hands forward, and then as I exhale, I'm going to slowly roll down, tucking my pelvis underneath. Let my shoulders and head reach the mat, and my arms can come out to the side. Just resting with my soles of my feet together and letting my knees slowly descend towards the mat. Cool. Thank you.